Hi guys, it's your girl B Michelle coming at you with another Dollar Tree DIY, and these are some of the items that I used. So I started with these game pieces, and I actually spray painted mine first, but I'm not recommending that you do that because I really had a hard time with this project. So basically I'm just laying out I laid out a pattern in which I decided, well, I thought I was going to use that pattern, but I actually changed it several times along the way. So basically what you see me gluing together is a pattern that I actually used, and I just took one piece and then I laid the other piece the other direction, took another piece and laid it just like the first piece, and it kind of changes up. So you just have to kind of look at it, look at how it's laid out on here. Well, don't look at what's laid on the table, but look at how I'm actually gluing these together to kind of see the pattern on which I actually did this. So but I do recommend that you do not spray paint your pieces first. You may want to do that last because you may have some overflow of glue as well as the pieces not sticking as well. So I recommend that you spray paint it last, or however you want to paint it. I recommend that you do that part last. So I'm just laying out the pattern, and basically once I get the whole pattern laid out, you can just repeat this pattern and you can do as many of these as you like. I did kind of like random pieces, well, not necessarily random, but like different sizes. Some are longer, some are shorter. So, and you'll see at the end. So basically just follow this pattern that I laid out or create your own pattern. It's totally up to you. So I'm just following along, adding the hot glue. You may want to use some E6000 or some Fix All because, like I said, I did have a really hard time with this project. It is not that easy. So, and it could be easy. I just sometimes make those easy things really difficult. So, so basically that's it, you guys. Just follow along with the pattern. And I also, because I spray painted this in the beginning, when I tell you to spray paint it last, just don't leave it out in the sun too long once you use this hot glue, because I made that mistake and I forgot my pieces were outside baking in that hot sun, actually just melting away that hot glue. So by the time I went out there to pick them up, so they started falling apart. And I was like, oh my goodness, as hard as I worked trying to put these pieces together in the first place, and they start to fall apart now because they've been in this hot sun too long. So it's all my fault. But so if you do go outside and spray paint them, just don't leave them in the hot sun like I did. Don't make the same mistake that I did. So anyway, just follow along with the pattern or create your own pattern, and you'll come out with a Aztec, well, mine kind of has like an Aztec kind of vibe to it to me. So if you guys want to follow along with this pattern, just kind of look at how I'm laying it out here and just create as many pieces as you like. So I'm gonna be quiet for a minute and just let the video play. So I also turned it over and I laid some craft sticks on the back to give it some extra security. But you know, all of this didn't really matter when it was out in the sun baking. So I basically had to do a lot of it all over again. The whole piece didn't fall apart, but some of the longer pieces kind of fell apart, so I had to re-glue those again. So basically this is how, when I said I had random pieces, random sizes. And I also wanted to originally connect the pieces together to make one whole piece. That didn't work out. I got really frustrated with trying to make this hot glue work. So I decided to just have them separate and just space them out on the wall like this. And like I said, it does have the Aztec kind of vibe to me. So I don't really know what I want to call this, but my Dollar Tree creation. So there you have it. You can paint this whatever color you decide to paint it. And if you need something to fill a whole wall, this is a great idea to fill a whole wall, because it literally just fills this whole wall here. So that's it, you guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time. Thank you for all of my new subscribers as well as my older subscribers. Thank you for all your wonderful comments. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, share. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. And if you don't want to miss out any videos that I upload, go ahead and ring that bell so you don't miss out on anything that I post. So that's it for now, you guys. And until next time, bye.